Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers from beef mince, updated. Press chilled 200 G portions into even patties about 1 inch thick, making a shallow dimple in the center to prevent bulging. Salt just before cooking and let the skillet reach medium-high heat so you get a good sear. Cook 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium, adjust time for doneness, and rest patties briefly before serving. Start gently shaping patties with clean hands, keeping them cold until cooking time to prevent shrinkage. Aim for a slightly larger diameter than your bun and press a small dimple in the center with your thumb. Lightly season the exposed surfaces just before they hit the pan so moisture stays in the meat. Use a thermometer if needed. Target 71°C for well done or cook shorter for medium. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth helped me think differently about budgeting and saving, which makes splurging on better beef feel smarter and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if you want. Thanks for that support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a heavy pan or grill until smoking slightly, then add oil and the patties to sear both sides for a flavorful crust. Flip once, add cheese in the last minute, and cover to melt. Rest patties for a few minutes so juices redistribute and avoid soggy buns. Assemble with toasted buns, crisp lettuce, sliced tomato, pickles, and your favorite sauce for a satisfying bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.